Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for Serpent X Tech, and came out to the garage only to realize that my brake lights are staying on, and I immediately suspected a couple things. First off, my third brake light I just replaced with an aftermarket one. It's a smoked brake light, but that is not the problem. Immediately once I disconnected this and saw that the lights were staying on, I knew exactly what the problem is, but you'll see that the light is on as well. So all three tail lights are on. So that led me to my next theory, and the same problem we had recently with the clutch pedal. Guess what? A bunch of these little guys were on the ground, and that is the same stopper. Remember the issue we had with the clutch, right? So with this plunger right here for the clutch, it's not being depressed because that also had the same little rubber blue crap that degrades over time. So I had to bypass it, which I talked about in a previous video on how to do that, but just a paper clip and the top connector. But you can see the brake one is now also missing its little guy. So I ordered some off of Amazon. Cheap. I'll link it down in the description below. But 8-piece car brake pad stop pedal, and then a long ass name from some company in China. Wasn't a big deal, but you can see that it's the same stopper that is what's this blue one is made out of, right? So that little plunger kind of goes in there. We're going to open this up, install it, and you'll see that the brake lights will immediately go off. And then I don't have to bypass the clutch safety switch anymore, because again, we can start the car without pushing in the clutch in gear, which can be dangerous if somebody is not aware of it. Obviously, I've been aware of it, so it's no problem. But still, replacing that would be nice. Eventually, I'll probably replace this pedal. You can see it's peeling. But just something annoying as these things degrade after time. My car's at 117,000 miles, so if you're below that, you should be fine. But you know, any of the Acura Hondas that use this little plastic stopper on your clutch or brake pedal, you know, can degrade just like this. But let me go ahead, open this up, and we'll get those installed. So as you can see, brake light is on. And then it's going to be very hard to do this one-handed, but we need to depress the brake pedal down and get this stopper in there. Let me do that now. And just like that, they are now off. I need to get that guy seated in there a little bit better. But you can see the third is off and both rears are off. If I would have left that overnight, my battery would have been dead. So I'm glad I was able to spot that when I came out to the garage. But very unfortunate that they're using these cheap little plastic pieces that just degrade after so many years. I'm not sure what this stopper is for. It's got to be for something, but the white ones are what we need. The only thing I would say is that these guys are a little bit big and it's a bit hard to push in there. Might need to do some greasing up and maneuvering, but they're off now, and I just wanted to share this with you. If your brake lights are staying on, it could be something as simple as this little plastic guy. If you open up your footwell and see all these plastic pieces, there's your answer. Alright, do me a favor on the way out, hit that like button, get subscribed if you like additional content like this or more, because this channel does a lot. And take care of yourself. Let me know if this helped you out.